The question given is find the length of AC. So when there is two sides and one angle, we should use cosine rule. Then we just need to substitute all the information into the formula and we will get the answer.
So the next question is calculate the angle of ACD. So this is the triangle of ACD and the angle that we need to find is this angle. So from this triangle, we already have the values for two sides and one angle. So we just need to apply sine rule, which is C over sine C equals to D over sine D. Then we just need to substitute the value from this triangle into this formula. So C is the opposite side of angle C, which is 14, over sine C, the angle of C that we need to find, equals to D, the opposite side of angle D, 18.18, over sine D, which is the angle of D, 120 degree. Then we just need to apply cross multiplication and we will get 18.18 sine C equals to 733. Then after we got this, we just need to divide both sides by 18.18 and then we will get sine C equals to 0.6669. Then we just need to use the calculator by shift, sine, and then we just need to insert this value 0.6669 and then we will get the answer, which is 41.82825382. The answer is quite long, so we just need to round off the answer to 2 decimal places and we will get the answer, which is C over C equals to 41.80 degree.
AP is equal to AD. The length of AD is 14 cm, so the length of AP is 14 cm too. So it will be like this. If the triangle has same length of these two sides, it is considered as isosceles triangle. That's all.
Okay, so let's move on to the next question, which is calculate the area of triangle PCD. So from previous question, we already sketched the triangle of APD. So this is it, the triangle of APD. So all you need to do is put all the information that you know from previous question in this sketch. So we already know the angle of A, which is 18.17, and we already know the length of AP is equals to AD, which is 14 centimeter. So now you can try to find the length of PD and the angle of these two sides. So first, we can try to find the angle of these two sides, which is you can try by 180 minus with 18.70 degree, which is the total angle of triangle is 180. So you need to minus with 18.70 degree, which is this angle, and divide by 2. So you got 18.92 degree. So as you know, this is isosceles triangle, so both of these angle is the same. So one of these angles is 18.92 degree. So now, in order you need to find the length of PD, you can try to use sine rule, which is PD over sine 18.17, which is the opposite of this side, which is 18.17, is equals to 14, which is the length of this side, over sine 80.92, degree, which is this one. So at the end, we got the length of PD, which is 4.4211 centimeter. Okay, so next, you can try to sketch the triangle of PCD, which is, as you know from previous question, it states that the point of P is located between A and C. So all you need to do is divide it. So now we got the triangle of PCD. So this is how it looks like after you sketch. So now you put all the information that you know. So which is, we already know the length of PD, which is 4.4211 centimeter. We already also know the angle of C, which is 41.83 degree. And now, in order you want to find the area of PCD, you need to use this formula, which is 1/2 times C times D and sine P. Where is C, where is D, and where is sine P? C is here, which is the length of PD. D is the length of PC, while sine P is this angle. So now, we already know the length of C, and now we need to find the length of D. So, the length of D, as you know, the total length of AC is 18.80 centimeter. So you already also know the length of AP is equals to 14 centimeter. So now all you need to do is just minus 18.18 centimeter minus with 14 centimeter equals to 4.80 centimeter. So that's the length of PC. So now we already know C and D. So the last one we need to find is the angle of P. So in order you want to find the angle of P, we already know that the angle of P, the angle of this one is 18.92. So for a clear view, we already know the angle of this side is 80.92 degree. So you know that the total angle of AC is 180. The total angle of straight line is 180. Then you minus 180 minus with 18.92 degree. Then you get the angle of this side, which is after you minus it, you will get 99.08 degree. So next, the last one is all you need to do is just put all the value that you know into the formula. So 1/2 times 4.42 times 4.18 and times sine 99.08. Then you got the answer 9.1220 centimeter square. So that's the answer.